I'm sitting in a Model Y. Got a sunshade here in my hand. They tend to get pretty hot. A lot of heat comes through this glass top. So a sunshade comes in two pieces. They are gray, matching the headliner, and then you got these reflective, kind of like honeycombs on this side, which goes up. And they come in two pieces, a front and a rear, and they're labeled. They pop out like that. If you look right here, it will tell you if it's for the rear or for the front. And as far as installation goes, you're going to get a little case, 10 clips. The thing to know about these clips is there's two bigger ones, and that's where the two sunshades meet. So those go in the middle. Other than that, it's pretty simple. These have, this is a metal frame. Take a look. You might want to just test fit it first so you kind of know what you're into. So it just sits right up in there like that. And then these plastic clips, you just want to put the flat part towards your roof and then just give them a little twist like that. Two in the front, just space them out, and this will get you started. You can see that it just slides up in the headliner like that. And then you're gonna, I'm just gonna hold it up and get my next clip. Like that. Now it's starting to hold itself up. Take a little look there. I'm gonna go over here to the driver's side, open up the driver's door, put another clip, and then I'll get to the edge here so I know. You can see on your headliner there's a split, and that's where you're going to put these, and then you'll just repeat the process and head to the back. Kind of match them up. Slips right up in there. It fits great. I mean, it's definitely going to reflect that heat back out, because I'm telling you, I can feel the heat cooking the top of my head. And I'm going to head to the back here, open the back door up. Right there, there's the seam between the front, and then you're going to put the small one here in the back. So you just want to have that split 50-50. And then repeat the process on the other side. All you got to do is just slip it in like that and just push, leaving that little gap. You'll slide the next one in right there. Now I'm just moving here to the back. Got the clips in hand here. And I'm just going to do a quick test fit. Then you can connect. You're going to get a couple spare clips. So here all we're doing is, I'll just come over on this side. We're going to put one in the middle. Line that up. Come over to this side. Line this up into that there. There we go. And then I've got 3 clips left. 2 of these are spares. I only need one all the way here in the rear. Done. So overall, I would say, I mean, it's really just like a 10-minute process. And if you just want to go back and slide your clips around, just making sure that I've got this center where these two come together. It fits real nice there. All done. Now, hopefully my Tesla air conditioning won't have to work so hard, and I won't have as much heat over, obviously, in the top of my head.